Hey, what's up? My name is Captain Shaukat Mukherjee, and welcome to the Naval Connection Virtual Training Academy. We have trained over 1,500 seafarers in the last 12 months of the lockdown. And one of the reasons we are so successful and why students keep on coming back to us is because our faculty are extremely experienced and are presently sailing as chief engineers and masters. And that's the reason why they are able to highlight the practical problems faced on board and offer their solutions. A feedback which we have received from our students is to do a course on marine valves. How many of you are confident of your operations of marine valves? How many of you know what's inside the valves and how to repair the valves? A correct operation of marine valves will increase your efficiency in cargo operations, will reduce downturn time for your company, and enhance the profitability of the company. So keeping that in mind, we have launched a course on marine valves. It is an upcoming course where you will know everything. It's a question answer session. It's a 3 hours workshop and a question answer session where our chief engineer faculty of having more than 30 years as chief engineer will answer all your questions regarding the types of marine valves, its operation, their operational time, and the repairs, and how you can use the marine valves, the opening and closure of the marine valves to your advantage. So I think this is it's a fantastic course for all students and seafarers, both for a deck and engine department. And you need to register for this course. For registration details, here's what you should do.